Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun Halloween video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Lego zombie surprise fold. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Lego zombie surprise fold, let's begin by folding our paper. I'm going to line up the corners and then I'm going to give this a nice fold, kind of like I'm making a card. Next, I'm going to line up the corners one more time and give it another fold, just like I'm making a big bookmark. Now when I open it up, I have these nice little guidelines that show me where I need to keep the inside of my drawing. And I like to turn my paper this way so I can open it up for the fun surprise. Now to start off with this, let's begin with the top of the zombie's head. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to begin by making a line that's just going to come up, and we're going to go over, and then just down like this. Next, we're going to make a line that's going to come up, we're going to go over, and down. Now starting here, we're going to go down. Let's come over and then up like this. Now starting here, for the neck, let's draw a line that's going to go down. We'll draw this line over and then come up. Now to start the shirt, let's draw a line that's going to come down. And then same thing here, kind of like a V shape. Next, let's make a line that's going to come up and then over to here. And same thing here, just kind of curve this up and then bring it over here. Next, let's draw a line that comes straight out on this side and then straight out on this side. Then I'm going to bring this line down on each side. Next, let's just curve a line that's going to come down for the arm, and we'll curve a line that just comes down here. Next, let's draw a line here and a line here. And then we're going to make a line here and a line here. It's going to kind of look like he's wearing a tie, even though we won't really see much of it. Then let's go ahead and make a little zigzag line here for like a little rip. And then we'll do another one over here. Now let's draw his face. Starting here, let's make a circle for an eye. Then we're going to leave some space and we'll make another circle for an eye right here. Let's make a little curved line underneath each one. Now for the mouth, let's draw a line that's going to go up and down, up and down. Then we're going to come up and down and connect. Let's draw a little curved line here and a little curved line here. Next, let's make a line that's going to come in and down, and then over here we'll go in and down. Now we'll make a couple little square shapes here for the teeth, and we'll do one more here. Then we'll do the same thing down here, just some little square teeth. Now up here, let's make the eyebrows. Let's make a line that's going to go over like this, and then we'll make one lower. It's going to go over and down. We'll go up and bring this down, and then up and bring this down. So they're kind of like different heights. Next, we'll just draw two little lines up here. And then let's make a line down here with a couple little lines across. Then let's make a little line here and a little line here for some details. Now our next step is to open this up and draw the inside. Now once we open this up, we have two halves of our Lego zombie. So let's start at the top here. Let's begin by bringing this line down on each side. Then let's just make a nice curve to here. Next, starting here, let's bring a line that's going to come over and down. Now inside of here, let's make another curve like this, and then one more like this, so it looks like the head is open. Now starting here, let's make a line that's going to come up on each side. And then let's curve a line that's going to come up and down. And then right here, let's make a line that's just going to go down and then up. Now inside of here, let's just make that like same shape. We'll go down and then we'll go up and down. So it looks like it's hollow inside of there. Now in here, let's make the brain. So to do this, let's draw two lines on each side like this. Then let's connect them, and we'll kind of make the corners kind of rounded. Same thing here, just kind of make it a little rounded. Next at the top, let's make a line that's just going to go up, over, and then down to make it look like a Lego piece. Now right here, let's draw a line here. And then let's make a little curved line like this. We'll do another one here. And then we'll do like a small one right here. Kind of bring this line down a little more. Then let's make 1 and 2 lines here. And 1 and 2 lines here. Now, out here, let's make a couple little Lego pieces. So let's just make a little rectangle here. And let's put 2 little bumps on it. We'll do another one here. Let's make a longer rectangle. And then we'll put 3 little bumps on this one. Over here, let's draw a little line. Let's make it into an arrow. And then let's make it into another arrow like this. We'll connect it, and we'll put a little bump on top. And then what I like to do is just kind of add some little lines kind of coming out of here, just to make it look like the pieces are flying out. And there you go, there's your drawing of a little Lego zombie surprise fold. So when we have it all folded up, we have our little Lego zombie, and then when we open it, we can see that his head is popping off and his brain is flying out. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.